we guide you through how to export reports from QuickBooks Online. So the first thing you need to do is to log in to your QuickBooks Online account and open the Reports menu from the left-hand navigation panel. Find and select the report you want to export, such as a profit and loss, balance sheet, or sales report. Once the report opens, set your preferred reporting period and apply any filters you need, such as customer, product, or transaction type. Click Run Report to update the results. When the report is ready, click the Export button at the top of the report. Choose your preferred format such as Excel or PDF, depending on how you want to use the data. If you choose Excel, select the option to download the file and save it to your computer. For a PDF, choose the PDF export option and download the generated file. Before closing QuickBooks, open the exported file and quickly check the report contains the correct dates, filters, and information.